Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Elster application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Elster application on your iPhone is easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then tap open your app store. In the search box, type in Elster and perform your search. Once you find the application, tap the get button and begin the downloading process. After a few minutes, you'll be able to see that the application has now been downloaded and it is ready to use. Tap the open button to launch open Elster app, and that is how you can easily download Elster right on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.